Welcome guys to our channel. Welcome to Generation Group. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe so we can bring you content like this. So today we'll be teaching you on how to create your first HTML document using Visual Studio Code. So HTML document, just like the name, it stands for Hypertext Markup Language. So basically this is one aspect of programming that you need to learn, though HTML is not a programming language like JavaScript, Python, but it is one of the fundamental building blocks on learning how to be a front-end developer. So without wasting much of your time, let's jump right into the video. So like as you can see here, this is our Visual Studio Code. Now before using this Visual Studio Code, you have to create a file on your desktop. So I've already created a file on my desktop. As you can see, my file is right empty. It's an empty document or an empty folder. So all you just need to do is to create an empty folder. Then you right click on that folder. Then you come over to this section, show more options. Then you open it with Visual Studio Code as open with code. So once you open up this with your code editor, it's going to take you to this panel. Then you have your lesson. As you can see, this was the file I created on my desktop. So inside this file, you can then create more files. So we're going to start with index.html. So this is our very first file we'll be creating. So we just created an index.html file. I will just come right here and close this off. So there's it there. So this is my boiler template. This is the document type HTML language English. You can change this if you want, if you prefer French or whatever language you feel comfortable with. Then basically you leave this part. Then you can come right here to rename this as websites or whatever you're comfortable with. You can use any of your choice. So HTML has its own syntax, and the rule of programming syntax is what governs programming or what governs the language generally. So your syntax refers to the grammar. Now we have what we call a tag. Tags are used for many things in HTML. You have your body tag, your header tag, your footer tag, you have your image tag, you have a paragraph tag, and so on and so forth. We have numerous tags in HTML. So this is your header tag, header H1. We also have H2 and H3. Then you also have H4. You have your H5. And so on. So the bigger the H, the smaller the text character. So let's come right here and say welcome to Generation Group. Now I will just copy this. I'll copy this, paste it here as well, here as well, here as well. So I will view this using Lifesaver. Now Lifesaver is an extension you need to download in your Visual Studio Code. So if you come right here, you get your extension. If you come right here, you get your extension where you can download some extensions that you will be needing as you work with Visual Studio Code. So this is my Lifesaver. So if I view what I've done here on Lifesaver, you should be able to see what we have here. Now, welcome to Generation Group. Welcome to Generation Group. Welcome to Generation Group. Now this is my H1. This is my H2, this is my H3, H4, and H5. Now if you notice something, you notice that the size of each H1 character of each H tag is reducing as it goes down. Now the H1 is quite bigger than H2, similarly the H3 is also bigger than H3, and H3 is bigger than H4, continuously in that manner. So the greater the H tag, the bigger, the lesser the character. Okay, so that's it guys. This is all you need to know. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.